Hello there, dan selamat sejahtera. Today we're going to learn to assemble an ornithopter. This weird flappy thing actually is the ornithopter, and I still remember when I was a kid I used to call this rubber band bird, but never actually tried it. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Most of us would have seen it but never actually tried it, and today is the day. So let's begin. This product I got it from AliExpress, like 10 pieces for $3.63, and they're selling it as a bundle, which is a very good deal. The links are given below. Please go and check it out, guys. And let's start assembling. Okay, the next part is very important, tiny detail but very important. You gotta make sure these bridges are crossed like this in an X form. Then you just hook them up to the wings. Try to spin the knob and make sure that the flapping mechanism works properly. And the final piece. Okay, this piece is quite important. Without it, the ornithopter will fly like a headless chicken. So this part, this piece actually completes the aerodynamic of this entire ornithopter. And the wind travels like that. Yeah. So this is ready to fly. Let's jack it up.